Hey, you're watching Tech Brothers YouTube channel, and in this video we will talk about new projector called XGIMI H2. First, I want to mention that it is premium projector with price tag about $900. If you haven't closed this video yet and is still interested in projector, then let's find out its main specifications and features. You will be really surprised. The design of a new XGIMI H2 doesn't differ much from the previous generation H1. It has the same square shape with speaker grills around the case. On the front panel, there is lens and even high-resolution camera, which allows automatically adjust the focus. On the back you can find following connectors: headphones jack, USB 2.0, USB 3.0 to HDMI, LAN and DC port. On top, there are control buttons such as play, stop, power, etc. By the way, XGIMI H2 comes with remote control. It is made of black matte plastic and powered by 2.3A battery. The remote control has a switch button to change from volume to focus. If you don't want to use remote control, then there is app on smartphone. It provides some additional functions. Now let's talk about specifications and features. I think you don't care about processor, storage and RAM, but you can read about them in description under this video. The more important specs for projector are brightness, contrast, resolution, etc. So, in order, XGIMI H2 has 1350 lumens brightness, 5000 by 1 contrast ratio, Full HD native resolution, 1920 by 1080 pixels. The image size is from 60 to 300 inches. The new projector supports 4K video playback and even 3D. The maximum lamp life is 30,000 hours, and it is very impressive. The noise level is under 30 decibels. Another feature of a new projector is one-click Keystone correction. XGIMI H2 runs on Android 5.0 with GMUI 3.0 user interface. Be careful when buying a projector, because many stores sell Chinese version with Chinese user interface. However, there is already international version with English. You can download any apps such as Netflix, YouTube and others. XGIMI H2 supports dual-band Wi-Fi, or you can use wired internet. The manufacturer is very proud of motion estimation and motion compensation technology. The device uses a special algorithm when projecting high dynamic images. It is very useful for watching sports and playing games. XGIMI H2 is equipped with high-quality speakers from Harman and Karadan. Also, you can use projector as Bluetooth speakers. So, for about $900 you will get premium projector with useful features. It has good brightness and contrast, while Full HD native resolution and different technologies such as motion compensation provide amazing experience watching movies and even playing games. In description you can find links where to buy XGIMI H2. Thanks for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.